Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to use the Azure Map visual in Power BI for 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up a dynamic map, switch on 3D visuals, and make your dashboard really stand out. Let's get started. First, go to the Visualizations pane in Power BI. Look for the Azure Map icon and click it to add the visual to your canvas. It may look blank at first, but that's normal. Now it's time to add your data. Go to the Fields pane on the right and drag in the fields you want to visualize. Start with geographic fields like city, state, or country. When you add data, the map will automatically plot and geocode it so you can easily identify trends and patterns. Next, let's customize the visual. Click the Format Visual button on the right. Here you'll find all the settings you need to style your map. One of the coolest features is the 3D column layer. Turn on 3D column layer and your map instantly transforms. Your data points rise up as 3D columns, giving your dashboard extra depth and clarity. You can also choose between different column shapes like boxes or cylinders depending on the look you prefer. Adjust the size settings to make the columns taller, smaller, or more subtle. A bit of tweaking here can help your data look clean instead of cluttered. And that's it! You've added an Azure map, connected your data, enabled 3D visuals, and customized everything to match your dashboard style. If you want to explore even more, try different map layers and styles. There's a lot you can do. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, leave a comment with your questions, and subscribe for more Power BI guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.